by having healthier food makes your body healthier, which makes your mind healthier.
Yeah.
And yeah, just getting in touch with the actual farming process. So my name's Ollie Dean, and the Common Ground Project is a regenerative agriculture farm with a cafe, and I'm the sous chef, and I've been working here since we opened. So we're in Freshwater Creek, which is just out of Geelong. I'm a local here. I've lived here for about 20 years. You know, we're just trying to approach the mental health of the hospitality industry through regenerative agriculture. You know, nowadays hospitality can be so detached from the actual production of the food.
Yeah.
You know, there's chefs cooking whatever they want, whenever they want. They don't care about seasonality, locality, anything like that. And it's really quite unfortunate that it's come to that.
Yeah, it's kind of like catering to quite extreme tastes.
Yeah.
And sort of putting those tastes over the, like you said, the what's in season and sort of respect for the value of food and agriculture and things like that.
Absolutely.
So here we are in the kitchen with Ollie. What are we going to be making today?
So today we're making an open omelette with sauteed greens, local goat's cheese, and microgreens, of course, on Zili Bay toast.
Sweet. All right. Let's get started.
It's good to get pans preheated. This one's a non-stick one for the omelette, and this is for the sauteed greens. Just a little bit of olive oil.
Yep.
And a little veg oil for the omelette. Beautiful spinach. You can really tell that it's like grown with regenerative agriculture practice, just through the like structure and how, you know, solid it is. Yeah. You can try it if you like.
Like how fibrous
Yeah,
it
and
is and
how
stuff?
just like strong it is. And
Yeah. Yeah, I'll rate it.
these are our greens mix, which is from the farm.
So those are grown on site here.
Yep. That's grown here with regenerative agriculture practices. We've been picked today or
Very recently.
Yeah, quite recently. Just chuck the eggs in.
And it's similar with the eggs, they're locally grown.
Yeah, so they're from Ravens Creek, which is 10 minutes drive just down the road. So basically I've just steamed the greens and char a little bit just to give them that extra flavour.
Yeah, sick.
And then this is our homemade veggie salt, which is we use with all these veggie scraps, and we dry them out and blend them up with a bit of salt. Cool. And we'll just come over here to plate up.
Everything you're cooking at the moment is in season at the moment?
Yeah, absolutely. Pretty much everything we use, well, all the produce we have is Australian produce, so you know, we can't get anything other than what's in season, which is nice. And ideally we'll try and get as much as we can through the garden.
Yeah.
Yeah. Sweet. This is the Meredith's goat's cheese, which is another local farm. They're beautiful.
All right, so now we're going to harvest our flametree mizuna microgreens.
These will be beautiful, just to add that nice little pepperiness to it.
Yeah, and there's that nice kind of color as well.
Yeah.
Beautiful. It's looking yummy as. All right, so I'm going to give it the old taste test to see how we go. All right. Simple, but beautiful. Tastes so good. Can you tell us a little bit about like why local food is important to you personally?
Local food is important to me because, I mean, it's important to be a part of the community and support the people around you, and you know that's the first draw for me with local.
Yeah.
And then also it's just, you know, you're using stuff that's in season, you're not adding heaps of like food miles to it, so it's, you know, less carbon emissions, it's not coming from the other side of the world or the other side of the country. Yeah, and it just creates a really good sense of community. You know, we get garlic and eggs and bacon, and they're all people who live nearby, and I know them all and I've met them all, and it's, you know, it's really nice just to be local. And I mean, I grew up on a farm, my parents grew up on farms, you know, it's all part of a big community and supporting each other and, you know, in a way supporting the earth.
Totally. That's really awesome. Thanks for sharing that.
Yeah.